Hi, my name is Ralph. I am at Dr. Niemann's office with Foot and Ankle Clinics of Arizona, and talk to you about my experience for a total ankle replacement. 8-9 years ago, I was riding my motorcycle, my dirt bike, trying to be young again, and it was a distal tibia fracture on my left leg ankle area, and I got that recovered or fixed. Went through the recovery, and over the years, I kind of just thought I was going to have to live with the pain, I guess the arthritic pain that developed over the years. But what had happened, it just got so bad. Walking became a problem. Running was out of the question. Standing at a concert was a big deal to me. Just the hours of just standing on it. So the time when I knew it was time to fix it is I was at Disneyland of all places, and I told my dad at the time, I was like, Dad, I'm gonna be the first one out of our family in a wheelchair because I can't walk anymore right now. So anyway, I did some research as anyone should, and I found this office. First I saw Dr. Leber, and he kind of did the consult on my problem. I didn't know ankle replacement was an option. I've heard of fusing where you fuse it together. I did not know there was an ankle replacement option. So when he said that, my eyes opened, and he said I could be a candidate for it. Normally, I guess it's kind of saved for older people with arthritic pain, but I was a candidate, come to find out. So we went ahead and moved along, and talked to Dr. Niemann, and he as well said I was a good candidate for this procedure. So this was in January of 2022. I had the surgery about 8 weeks ago, the end of July of this year, and I'm about at my 8-week point, and I'm still in the boot. But today I'm going to see Dr. Niemann, and I think I'll be out of the boot starting physical therapy. So procedure-wise, the pain I had initially, not that I'm on it too much right now, but that pain is gone, which is great. Again, I think with physical therapy, it's going to come back a little bit, just that's normal in recovery. But I am very happy with this so far. The people here have been great to me. I've had some paperwork issues with some disability and insurance stuff, and everyone has been great to me, helping me get through that process. So, yeah, I would recommend this office. The staff, the doctors, they've been great to me. So give them a call.